The best way to send your Live Good referral link or any link which you want to send, which you don't want to type every time, is you like this. You are on WhatsApp, right? Just below that you see one settings button. You click the settings button here, and it's a GBoard. The keyboard should be GBoard. This is the GBoard. Okay, use the GBoard keyboard. Just install it. Then come to dictionary. You can see this dictionary. Okay, come to this, touch this, and personal dictionary. Select English. I haven't tried other languages. Just you can like you want to create something, like put this link, your link here. Okay, like my link is SV. If I put that, it will come. See, give it a short name, shortcut. Like you can put it like GR or AB, which is not a proper word. AB or XY, anything. XY. The word, it should not be like a word. So if you put a shortcut like that, okay, it will take that. Like I have created so many here. Good day, friend. It starts with GD. And good morning. You can see here. Good morning. Just GM will give me good morning. And my Instagram page, MIP. Okay, you can see here. MIP. Okay, my Instagram page. It will come. Like that, if you create this in your dictionary, you can go back and like I said, MIP will give me my Instagram page. I can just send it. You can save so much of time using this method. It's called templates. You create the templates with a shortcut, a short name with 1, 2 letters or 3 letters. That way you save so much of time. Like I will give you my example. Okay, let me come here. Okay, here I want to send somebody my referral link. If you do it in a normal way, you need to type it. That's very difficult. Sometimes mistakes may happen. I've saved my username as KOV. Okay, which is no English word starts with KOV. You should see to it that that happens. If you see that, then you can see here KOV. Below that you see in this below the emojis you see take a tour. You touch that, everything, my referral link will come. Like this I'm saving so much of time. You too can do that. Just use it like that. Try it for a few times and you will know how to do it. Thank you.